good morning. Oh, good morning it is. It is the day before Thanksgiving, which means most people's stress level has gone up a little bit, depending on how much is Thanksgiving. Today, I cannot tell you what I'm smoking on, but it is Cariophylle from North Carolina. The Cariophylle is going to be what makes you feel relaxed. Sometimes you can feel sedated. You ever smoke something like get that couch lock? That's a terpene called mercy. Now, if you smoke something and your body feels relaxed, but you're still high, at least the high that you like. It might not be the high that your person next to you like, but it's okay. It's an individual sport. You want something that's more relaxing, and you like indicas, so you want to look for indica, and then you want to look for the terpene that basically says Cariophylle. It smells like it's going to be lemon pepper. Lemon pepper. Literally, it's like a lemon and peppery scent. Kind of burns your nose a little bit. It was a strain that I just got. I'm over here walking my dog. Can you see my body getting yanked? It was a strain that I just got that reminded me of like Dune. If you ever seen the movie Dune, like the spice, like I couldn't smell it through the movie, but I felt like what I had was definitely that. Today's gonna be an interesting day. We just almost finished moving. Not yet. Still in the process. The day before Thanksgiving, stress level raised. And sit. The goal of the day is to make some infused butter and oil. And I'll probably do a mix too. Now the reason for that is because I'm going over to some family's house for tomorrow, Thanksgiving, naturally. And I can't just show up with like a whole bunch of infused products. So what I'm going to do is bring butter and oil and tincture. So that anything I want to infuse, I could just add. So for sure, there's going to be like some garlic bread. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to make me a probably infused garlic butter. More than likely, I'm going to use the Levo. Well, I'm either going to use the Levo machine. I might do a double boiler, or I might have the ardent machine. We'll figure this out together. As at this moment, I don't know. And come on, Scrabble. We're getting steps in. Finish this joint. And so I'm probably gonna do like a garlic infused butter. I was thinking about doing an herb oil. So if there's like a salad there, right, I could just put a little oil on top of my salad, and then I'll be prepared for that. People mind the business, right? Infused on it. If you don't want anything infused, just don't touch this oil. I ain't coming to mess up everyone's day. Mess it up. It's gonna be a great day. All right. Let's see what else. Butter for bread, oils would be like for salads. Probably put like a little oil just like on like your food, because I'm gonna use olive oil, so it's gonna have like that natural tone. I could use avocado oil. I did try avocado oil, and when we infused that, it was really neutral taste. Now, as I was thinking about this 20 seconds ago, I was thinking I was just gonna use the flour, but I do have distillate. Now, if I use distillate, it's already decarbed, which means it's already been converted from THCA to THC. If you don't know what that means, I'll explain it. So you just take your flour and just put inside your oil, your butter, and you let it sit for a little while, but you didn't decarb it, then you're leaving on an acid form. That acid with the parentheses A, right? That form has to come off, meaning the way that you convert it so then it's actually psychoactive is by heating it for an extended period of time, depending on which way you do it. Usually you could do it in the oven. I'm gonna use the ardent machine. Usually you could do it in the oven for like 30 to 45 minutes. I'll just tell you, put your oven on like 220, leaving it for an hour. The lowest setting, leaving it for an hour, but traditionally you would do it for 35-40 minutes. You're going to cover it up so it doesn't actually get direct heat. You could do it with the aluminum foil, or you can have a machine do it. Anyway, that converts it from THCA to THC. I am a cannabis educator. Grab that free guide in the link.